gonna get busy and tear this puppy down. These all should have washers behind them. This bottom passenger side or bottom right, where your oil goes, it's gonna have a brass or copper, whatever in the heck it is. This one actually has got a straight thin shaft where the roller sits on, so it's not threaded all the way. Crappy looking gas coming out still. Probably flush that pretty good. You can find somewhere to stick your carburetor out of the way, that'd probably be wonderful. 10 millimeters on the exhaust. You tap that head, that cap, there's a gasket on there too, try not to rip it. A lot of times it'll stay on one side, stay on the cap. Store. This should have a brass exhaust gasket, copper, whatever the damn metal is. Alright, 10 millimeter on our keepers over there on the side of the cylinder, like I was telling you. When you put them together, right here, is the only thing really holding this bike left. You can pop them loose and then get them with a Phillips screwdriver. They come out a lot quicker. I don't have one, but this flathead's fit in there. You notice when you're putting these together, both these screws have a Phillips head on them. Alright, these are 9 millimeter. I need to pop them loose. There's a got your timing mark right here, the star. Needs to be lined up with right here. I'm pretty good shape. If you keep your spark plug out while you're doing this, you'll have a lot easier time. I'm going to go ahead and tear this off. I'll turn that over, but like I said, these are 9 millimeters. That's your timing chain. And I've already loosened this. Leave that in there for now. If you've never done this before and you're worried about it, you can run a wire through this or a zip tie and hold it out so your timing chain doesn't slip all the way back in the motor. I've never really personally had that problem, but I'm sure people have. Anyhow, alright, we're going to tear that apart. Alright, so I need a 9 millimeter. One of these are 9. I just kind of pop these. Usually they'll break free. Before you do your last one, try and get your timing pretty close to the same. You can also use a screwdriver and wedge in between them. I've done that before. Like that, if you pop that sucker real quick, just like I did, my timing's still about lined up good. So, be careful, don't drop these down the motor or anything. Pop this loose. I'm taking these. So I'm about multi-tasking. Oh, I forgot to take off my other bolt from my deal over there. So I don't know how that was coming apart yet. If you're not sure what goes where, put all these in an order, take pictures, whatever you got to do. Even doing video is good. I learned that in junior high when we were doing small engines. Back then we were told to write out diagrams. We didn't have fancy cameras and phones and crap. Our phones were one room to the other. 20-foot cord. Going underneath the door for privacy. have a certain pattern right here, so it'll only go on one way.
Hey, boy.
What's up, bud?
Take a bath, okay?
Huh?
You take a bath.
You want to take a bath?
I'm dirty.
You are dirty.
I got
What happens when you play?
No.
Oh, you wasn't
Don't
playing?
tell me dirty at me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is dirty at my eyes.
Well, or when you having fun?
Lacey loves him and not me.
Huh?
Lacey loves that dude.
She don't love anybody.
She doesn't love me, and she loves that dude.
I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
That dude's hitting me.
You better not be.
He is.
Better not be.
Yes, he is.
Everybody will be going home. That'll be the end of it. Yeah, be dirty. Go play some more. Get that fender out of the way before we scratch up that head. Them bolts right there. I'm going to scratch that pretty stuff up. Alright. By the looks of it, we're leaking oil in the exhaust valve, best as I can tell. Of course, that whole dang thing's pretty oily. Just a little rubber wheel, try to start up. Need something to tap that off with. Use the back side of the hammer. Coming out. Yep, we're going to take this plate off, get this back on for sure. Put her on the back side of this little puppy is millimeters. I think these are like 55. Looks 55. Alright, that bottom ring is the one that was on the bike. This top one I actually had an extra set here. You can see the difference. You're going to have oil going down by that past that bottom one. It's going to burn eventually. So I've actually got a good set of rings, a good piston and everything. I'll order another set for that bike over there. But that clearance there should be good. That one on the bottom is pretty well shot. So we'll be good. I'm sure you can use a feeler gauge and do that precise, but it looks pretty damn new to me. Alright, so we'll go with it.